Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to make these gorgeous almond puff pastry squares. Flaky, nutty, straight from a cafe treat at home. Start with a frangipane. Cream butter and sugar till pale. Egg in, teaspoon almond or vanilla extract. Then fold through almond flour and salt. Smooth, creamy, done. Take your puff pastry sheet, cut squares, drop a tablespoon of filling dead center. Pinch corners to the middle. Pinwheel done. Ready for the oven. Beat 1 egg with a teaspoon of milk. Brush those edges golden sheen guaranteed. Top each pinwheel with 1 more teaspoon of frangipane to glue the corners down. Scatter sliced almonds like it's snowing. Into the oven, 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, 15 to 18 minutes, till they're tall and tan, flaky, nutty, elegant, just like your cafe dreams. Breakfast, dessert, 3 o'clock sugar rush. If you liked it, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.